Good morning, children. This is teacher Amanda. So for today's English lesson, please take out your green English book and turn to page 60. Today we'll be doing on grammar and we'll be learning about demonstrative pronouns. So a demonstrative pronoun points to the things, animals, persons or places being talked about. So for example, this. This is used to point out one person or animal or object that is near the speaker. That is used to point out a person, animal or object that is far from the speaker. These is used to point out two or more people or things that are near the speaker. And last one, those is used to point out two or more people or things that are far from the speaker. So for this and that is used for singular. So for example, one person, one animal or one object. Okay, whereas for these and those are used for plural. Remember, plural refers to many things. Okay, singular means one, plural means many. So these and those are for plural, meaning two or more people, animal or things. Okay, so read and learn together. This is my toy truck. So this is for near and it is singular because there's only one toy truck. Number 2, that is my sister. So that refers to something that is far away. And sister, only one sister, right? So it's singular. So you are standing here, your sister is standing there, so it's far. So you say, that is my sister. The third one, these flowers are beautiful. So these refer to near. You see, you are standing here with the flowers, right? So this near. And flowers, there are many flowers, so it's plural. So we use these. Okay. Number 4, those are my friends. Those refer to far. See, you are standing here, your friends are standing there. So it's far. So we use those. And friends, there are many friends, right? How many friends are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 friends, so it is many, so it is plural. So plural, we use those. Okay. So we turn to the next page. So we have to write your name and the date first. So today's date will be 4th of June 2020. Okay, write the date first. Okay, let us read the instructions together. Fill in the blanks, this or that. Number 1. What is behind the rock? So the crab and the rock are near, right? So do we use this or that? This is for near, that is for far. So the crab is near the rock, right? So we use this. So we write, what is this behind the rock? Small letter T, okay? Because this is not the first letter of the sentence. So change the T to small letter T. This. Number 2 is a pencil. The pencil and the boy are they near or far? The boy is holding the pencil, so it's near, right? So you fill in, this is a pencil. But you see, this is the first word, so the first letter of the sentence must be capital T, okay? So you copy, this is a pencil. And then you do the same for the following questions. Please do it by yourself, okay? You see, remember, this is for near, that is for far. Okay, read the questions and do it. Fill in the blanks, okay? And then once you're done, you turn to the next page, page 62. Write your name and the date as well. And now we have to fill in the blanks with these or those. So these or those are for plural, right? So plural means for many objects. So these is for near, those is for far. So the first one, socks are wet. So the girl is here, the socks are here. So are they near or far? Near, right? Because you see the girl is drying the socks. So you write, these socks are wet. This is for near, those is for far. So you write, these socks are wet. Okay, number 2. Are stars. So the stars are normally very far, right? Far away from you in the sky. So we write, those are stars. Because those refers to something that is far away, right? So you write, those are stars. And for the following questions, please do it by yourself. Remember, these is for near, those is for far. Okay? Fill in the blanks. And for the last page, write your name and the date. And we have to fill in the blanks with the correct demonstrative pronouns. So you have to fill in with these, that, these, or those. Okay, if you forget the spelling, you can refer to the first page, page 60. Okay, these, that, these, and those. So these 4 are demonstrative pronouns that you have to use for this page. Okay, I'll go through the first 2 questions with you. Is my twin brother? So which one do we use? Which demonstrative pronouns? There is only one brother, so it's singular, right? And they are close to each other. So we use these. This is my twin brother. Singular this. So we write capital T and small letter H-I-S. T-H-I-S. Capital T. The next one. Can you see stray dogs over there? They are fierce. Don't go near them. So stray dogs, dogs. So dogs means many, right? So plural. So we use the plural demonstrative pronoun. And then over there means you have to point, right? So it is far. So which one is the far and for plural demonstrative pronoun? It's those, right? So you write those. T-H-O-S-E. Those. T-H-O-S-E. Those. Okay, so you do the same for the following questions, and then mommy and daddy will take a picture of your homework for me to mark, and I'll see whether you get it correct or not. Okay, so after you're done with this green English book, I need you to take out your you have to turn to page 92. We are going to do comprehension. Okay, so turn to the back, turn to page 92. We have to do written expression now. So please write the date, your name and the date first. Okay, let us read the instructions. Look at the picture. Rewrite the story in the correct sequence using the sentences below. So we have to read all the sentences first. Let us read together. The bathroom looks messy. He is playing with 2 rubber ducks. Mother is very angry with him. He is splashing water all around. Eddie is in the bathtub. There is water all over the floor. So we have to write the story in the correct sequence. So which sentence should come first? So the first one should be Eddie is in the bathtub. Can you write number 1 here? Just beside the bullet point, write number 1 here. Okay, so first one, Eddie is in the bathtub. Which one is the second sentence? The second sentence should be, he is playing with 2 rubber ducks. Okay, so please write number 2 here. Write number 2 beside the bullet point 2. Okay, which one should be the third sentence? The third sentence should be this. He is splashing water all around. Okay, so you write number 3 here beside the bullet point. Okay, next one. Which one is the fourth sentence? After he splashed water all around, what happens to the water? So the water is all over the floor, right? So number 4 should be, there is water all over the floor. Can you write number 4 here? Okay, the next sentence, the fifth one. The fifth one should be this. The bathroom looks messy. Write number 5 here. And the last one, so the bathroom is very messy, right? So mother is very angry with him. This one, mother is very angry with him. You write number 6 here. Okay, so you see we've written all the numbers here. So you turn to the next page. Number 1, the first sentence you've written here, right? Which one is number 1? Eddie is in the bathtub. So you write Eddie is in the bathtub here. And you do the same for all the 6 sentences. Remember, first letter have to be capital letter, right? And you see there's spacing after every word. Remember your finger spacing and full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, so you do this page, write all the sentences, and then we're done for today's English lesson. So mommy and daddy, please remember to take a picture of the homework and send it to the teachers by the end of the day, okay? And then remember, next week there will be spelling. Next Tuesday will be spelling 6, okay? So remember to learn all these spelling words. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class. Bye.